Hi, my name is Ken. I'm from Bedded Hairspace here in London. Today we did the Bed Hair for Men's new campaign shoot. I worked with Josh to creating something very British, clean, tailored. Actually, he is a tailor as well, so it's just more fitting into who he is. We started with the Wise Up shampoo and then using our Power Play gel to prepare. I was looking for very tailored, clean look. So it's always nice to keep a slight grip into the hair when the hair is wet. Starting on my left-hand side first, and quite high horseshoe section, diagonal back. Starting with the block graduation on the top, working horizontally all the way into the back area, and then starts working with the clippers. The hair was already quite short, so starting with the number 2, just to blending in from the underneath into the block graduation, all the way around from side into the back area, and then changing to number 1, cleaning around the hairline, obviously blending into the longer part as well. Same again from side into the back area. At the end, work with thinning scissors, just blending in where I did the clippers into where the block graduation is. Repeat the same technique on the opposite side. Release the top area to blend underneath. Put the horizontal section just to dividing the front area and the back area. Starting from just where the horizontal parting was, taking diagonal back sections. Elevation slightly lower than 90 degrees, kind of more between 90 and 45, just blending in to keeping a little bit of a weight throughout the back area. So carry on all the way into the center. Repeat the same technique on the other side. And releasing the front area as well. Starting on the right side, working horizontally, just drop onto the weight line and point cut through, visually blending in. It's slightly increased towards the front to leaving some length on the front area. On the other side, where the deep natural parting is, working a natural fold and just blending in with the point cut into the weight line. Move on to the last section, which is the top. Center profile parting from forehead to the back of the crown, 90 degrees. Start from the crown area to take the corner off, 90 and cut round to the head. Throughout the front area, just increasing slightly to maintain the length through the front. Pivoting around from the crown, everything 90 degrees, cut round to the head. Repeat the same technique on the opposite side. Moving on as horizontal section, everything use the center profile guideline and visually increase into the left, so maintain some corner on the front area. Today I used a slick trick, putting on all of my hands, just between the fingers as well, and then put it through all over first before actually styling with a brush again. To make sure applying internally as well, and then using a mini powder brush again to keep it nice and sleek.